Hey there YouTube. Today I'm replacing the hitch on this 2008 RZR 800. I have the factory hitch on here that I installed a few years ago. It's an 1.25" receiver, and it's just not heavy duty enough to pull a jet ski or a utility trailer or really anything of any weight. It bends even under my weight. Just wanted to get something on there a little beefier, so I got this KFI hitch, part number 100905. Installation looks pretty straightforward. Let's go ahead and get to it. Yeah, I really regret getting this 1.25" hitch and not springing for the heavy duty 2" hitch right away, because how bent up this thing is. Alright, installation is literally just 4 bolts. And the bolts are included, the bolts and nuts. They're actually nylock nuts. There are no torque specifications in the manual, so I'm just going to do my best. Our new hitch pin, our drop bar, there we go. And the back of the receiver is sealed, so you don't have to worry about your drop bar sliding through and smacking into the back of your diff or rattling against the back of your diff. I do note that the access to the rear diff drain plug is now severely limited, so I'm going to see if that is accessible. Yeah, looks like you can no longer get a ratchet into the 3/8" slot on the diff. Alrighty, now let's see if it bends. Oh yeah, that's a lot more stable. That's nice. And it makes a really nice tie down point.